Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to fix missing battery icon in Taskbar on Windows 10. Let's fix it guys. Go to search menu and type device manager, click on open it. You just need to expand the batteries section and you just need to right click on the device listed and select disable device option and select yes. You can able to see two devices listed guys. One is Microsoft AC adapter and another one is Microsoft AC PI. You just need to disable both device listed under batteries. After disabling that, you just need to select the desktop over here and select action tab and select the scan for hardware changes. And now enable the both devices we disabled just by right click and select the enable device option. And now after enabling the both devices, select desktop and select action tab and select scan for hardware changes. And now your battery icon should appear in here guys. Don't forget to leave a like guys. Thank you.